Introducing the amazing Buffalo Eraser Sponge. A unique blend of cleaning technologies and materials all combined into one incredible product. It's a stampede of cleaning power, like nothing you've ever seen before. The Buffalo Eraser Sponge is quick and easy to use. It's so easy and effortless, even a child can use it. Why use elbow grease when you can use the Buffalo Eraser Sponge? Just add water, wipe, and you're done in no time. The Buffalo Eraser Sponge leaves you more time to do the things that you really want to do. You get two cleaners in one. On one side, a soft foam to help quickly clean and remove stains from most surfaces with only water. On the other side, a commercial-grade micro-abrasive pad to clean stuck-on difficult dirt and grime. And it's an approved environmentally necessary product. No harsh or dangerous chemicals here. The Buffalo Eraser Sponge lasts up to 10 times longer than the Magic Eraser. One Buffalo Eraser Sponge is equal to 10 of these competing brands. Once you try it, you'll never go back to competing brands again. Look here, the Magic Eraser breaks down in no time, while the Buffalo just keeps on going and going and going. The Buffalo Eraser Sponge can be used almost anywhere. In the kitchen, bathroom, living room, dining room, bedroom, laundry room, and garage. Clean your vehicles, cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, and RVs. The Buffalo Eraser Sponge will clean practically anything: pots, pans, utensils, walls, floors, cupboards, countertops, sheetrock, drywall, tile, stainless steel, wood, almost any hard surface with only water. With up to 10 times the cleaning power, the Buffalo Eraser Sponge wipes away almost anything. It cuts through grass stains, blood stains, food stains, paint, grease, permanent marker, charcoal, and dirt. No problem. So, to recap, Buffalo Eraser Sponge lasts up to 10 times longer than the Magic Eraser. It's easy to use. It's environmentally necessary. It's a stampede of cleaning power. There is no magic. The Buffalo Eraser Sponge just cleans better and lasts longer. Buy the Buffalo Eraser Sponge here. Buy it now. Get your supply of Buffalo Eraser Sponges today. And coming soon, Buffalo Degreaser, a powerful yet environmentally necessary product used to clean away virtually all hard-to-remove stains. And Buffalo Gloves, a highly effective new product used to protect your hands in harsh environments.